Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving straight into how to use Zoho Project's Timesheet feature in 2025. To begin, log into your Zoho Projects account. Now, this is crucial because it's the gateway to all the features that Zoho Projects offers. Once logged in, navigate to the specific project you're working on. This is where you'll find the Timesheet feature, which is essential because it allows you to track the time spent on your tasks. After selecting the project, click on the Timesheet tab. This is where you log in your hours. The reason we do this is to keep track of the time we've spent on various tasks, which is vital for project management and billing. Now that we're in the Timesheet tab, select the Log Time option. This helps us because it offers a drop-down menu where you can select the task you've worked on and the hours spent on it. Remember, accurately logging time enhances productivity and helps in better project forecasting. Finally, click on the Save button. This is the final step that ensures your logged hours are saved and can be tracked. Let me explain why this matters. Saving your timesheet helps create a transparent work culture, and it's essential for accurate client billing. And there you have it. You've just learned how to use the timesheet feature in Zoho Projects. With this tool, you can efficiently track your time and manage your projects. Thank you for tuning in, and keep exploring Zoho Projects for more features.